Tired of itchy mosquito bites ruining your evenings? Say goodbye to chemical sprays and hello to nature's solution. Here are 5 mosquito repelling plants that actually work, keeping your home and garden bug-free the natural way. On the occasion of our channel's 4-year anniversary, we are doing a gift card giveaway. Watch, comment, and win YouTube Giveaway 2025 starts now. I have something exciting for you all, a giveaway. If you're watching this, you have a chance to win a gift card just by doing 3 simple steps. Step 1, like this video. Step 2, subscribe to the channel. Step 3, comment below your favorite part of this video or a special code hidden later. I'll be picking one lucky winner in 7 days and announcing it in my next video and community tab, so make sure the bell icon is on. Good luck and keep watching till the end. The rosemary plant, Rosmarinus officinalis, is more than just a fragrant herb for cooking. Its strong, woody scent is an effective natural mosquito repellent. Rosemary contains essential oils such as camphor and eucalyptus, which have been shown to repel mosquitoes by disrupting their sensory receptors. These oils make it difficult for mosquitoes to detect humans, helping to keep them at bay. Growing rosemary around your home, especially near entryways, windows, and patios, creates a natural, chemical-free barrier against mosquitoes. Its pleasant aroma is pleasing to humans but highly irritating to mosquitoes and other pests. Rosemary is easy to grow in sunny areas and requires minimal maintenance, making it a perfect addition to both gardens and indoor space. You can also crush rosemary leaves to release more of its essential oils, or burn rosemary sprigs for an aromatic repellent effect while spending time outdoors. In addition to repelling mosquitoes, rosemary is known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it an all-around beneficial plant for your garden or home. The mint plant, widely known for its refreshing aroma and culinary uses, is also an excellent natural mosquito repellent. Mint leaves contain menthol and other strong-smelling essential oils that mosquitoes find overpowering. These scents interfere with a mosquito's ability to detect carbon dioxide and body heat, helping keep them away from you and your home. Planting mint around your house, especially near doorways, windows, patios, and outdoor seating areas, creates a fragrant barrier that repels mosquitoes naturally. Unlike chemical sprays, mint is non-toxic, eco-friendly, and safe for both children and pets. For added protection, you can rub fresh mint leaves on your skin after testing for allergies, or crush the leaves to release more of the oil into the air. Mint is also easy to grow in pots, containers, or garden beds, making it a versatile and low-maintenance addition to any space. Besides repelling mosquitoes, mint helps deter other pests like ants and flies, while adding a fresh scent to your surroundings. Whether indoors or outdoors, mint is a simple, effective, and aromatic way to fight mosquitoes naturally. Lemongrass, Cymbopogon citratus, is one of the most effective natural plants for repelling mosquitoes. It contains citronella oil, a powerful and well-known mosquito repellent used in candles, sprays, and lotions. The plant naturally emits this citrusy aroma, which masks the human scent and makes it difficult for mosquitoes to locate and bite. Growing lemongrass in your garden or in pots, near doors, windows, balconies, or patios helps create a strong, natural barrier against mosquitoes. Unlike many commercial repellents filled with chemicals, lemongrass offers a safe, eco-friendly, and pleasant-smelling solution for mosquito control. The plant is easy to grow in tropical or warm climates, requiring only sunlight and well-drained soil. You can also crush the leaves slightly to release more citronella oils when spending time outdoors. Additionally, lemongrass has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a beneficial herb to grow for both pest control and natural wellness. Whether planted in your backyard or kept in pots indoors, lemongrass is a beautiful, aromatic, and effective way to keep mosquitoes away, naturally and safely. The lavender plant, Lavandula spp, is not only admired for its soothing scent and beautiful purple blooms, but it's also a powerful natural mosquito repellent. Lavender contains linalool and eucalyptol, aromatic compounds that mosquitoes find overwhelming and unpleasant. These natural oils confuse a mosquito's ability to detect the carbon dioxide and body heat humans emit, making it harder for them to locate you. Unlike many repellents, lavender's scent is pleasant to humans yet highly irritating to mosquitoes. You can grow lavender in pots or garden beds near entryways, patios, or windows to create a natural barrier. The plant's essential oil is often used in DIY mosquito sprays, lotions, and even candles for added protection. Lavender also helps repel other pests like flies and moths, making it a multi-purpose companion for your garden or balcony. Plus, it's low maintenance, drought tolerant, and thrives in sunny areas. Whether indoors or outdoors, planting lavender adds beauty, fragrance, and mosquito protection naturally. For best results, brush the leaves gently to release more aroma, or place dried lavender sachets indoors near resting spots. The basil plant, Alchemum basilicum, is more than just a flavorful kitchen herb. It's a powerful natural way to repel mosquitoes. Its strong aromatic scent contains essential oils like eugenol, citronellol, and linalool, which are known to be highly effective in keeping mosquitoes away. These compounds irritate mosquitoes' sensory receptors, making basil a natural deterrent even without crushing the leaf. Basil is also known to be toxic to mosquito larvae, making it useful for preventing breeding around your home. A few pots placed near windows, doors, balconies, or patios can create an invisible shield against these buzzing pests. In fact, basil's mosquito repelling qualities are so effective that basil oil is often used in natural insect repellent spray. Another advantage? Basil is easy to grow both indoors and outdoors. It thrives in pots, raised beds, or directly in the garden with regular sunlight and water. Adding basil to your home not only keeps mosquitoes at bay, but also offers fresh leaves for cooking, making it both a practical and aromatic solution for natural mosquito control. For best results, choose varieties like lemon basil or cinnamon basil, which have even stronger scents. Avoid overwatering, as standing water can attract mosquitoes. Trim the plant regularly to encourage bushier growth and release more aroma into the air. Whether you're sipping tea on the balcony or enjoying a backyard BBQ, the presence of basil can make your environment far more pleasant and mosquito-free. Secret code, WIN2025. Comment this below to qualify for the prize.